In this video, we will provide 5 practical ways to recover photos from iCloud. Of course, the premise is that you have backed up your iPhone or iPad photos to iCloud in advance. Part 1. How to recover photos from iCloud recently deleted folder. 1. Log in to iCloud. 2. Open Photos and click Recently Deleted on the left. 3. Preview and select photos to recover. 4. Click Recover to complete. Part 2. How to recover deleted photos from iCloud Photo Library. Number 2.1. Download photos from iCloud Photo Library to PC. Download iCloud for Windows. Open it, click Options by Photos. Choose iCloud Photo Library. Uncheck Download new photos and videos to my PC. Then click Done. Apply. Number 2.2. Download photos from iCloud Photo Library to Mac. Open Photos Preferences iCloud. Sign in. Enable Download Originals to this Mac. Wait for update. Select Photos. Go to File Export. Choose Export Items. Or export unmodified original for items. Specify save location. Part 3. How to restore photos from iCloud backup. In iPhone settings, go to Restore Erase All Content and Settings. Wait for restart. During setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Log into Apple ID, select Desired Backup, wait for restore completion. Part 4. How to retrieve deleted photos from iCloud Drive. Go to the iCloud.com and sign into with your Apple ID. Click the iCloud Drive. Select the photos you want to recover. Click the download icon at the top to save the selected photos to your computer. Part 5. How to recover permanently deleted photos from iCloud. Is it possible to recover deleted photos from iCloud backup only? Fortunately, the answer is yes. With some standalone 3rd-party iCloud recovery tools like iPhone Data Recovery, you can recover pictures from iCloud backup selectively.